Nigeria's armed forces often use airstrikes in their battle against so-called bandit militias in the northwest and the northeast, where jihadists are waging a 14-year-old conflict. In an unfortunate incident, an army drone accidentally hit a village in northwest Nigeria, killing and wounding civilians celebrating a Muslim festival. Villagers in Tudunbiri, in the state of Kaduna, had gathered for the Maulud celebrations when at about 9 pm they heard what sounded like an aeroplane followed by a huge explosion. The army did not give any casualty figures, but local residents had said 85 people, many of them women and children, had been killed. The Northwest Zonal Office has received details from the local authorities that 85 dead bodies have so far been buried while search is still ongoing. National Emergency Management Agency said in a statement. NEMA said another 66 people were being treated at hospital, but emergency officials were still negotiating with community leaders to calm tensions to be able to reach the village. Local State Security Commissioner Samuel Arawan said that according to the army, it was a routine mission against militants that inadvertently affected members of the community. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on Tuesday ordered an investigation after the army acknowledged one of its drones aimed at armed groups had accidentally struck the Tudunbiri village as residents were celebrating a Muslim festival. President Tinubu describes the incident as very unfortunate, disturbing and painful, expressing indignation and grief over the tragic loss of Nigerian lives, the presidency said in a statement. Militia gangs have long terrorized parts of northwest Nigeria, operating from bases deep in forests and raiding villages to loot and kidnap residents for ransom. In the northeast, jihadists have been pushed back from the territory they held at the height of the conflict, though they continue to fight on in rural areas. More than 40,000 people have been killed and 2 million displaced since 2009 in that conflict. Nigerian military bombing raids have accidentally hit civilians in the past. At least 20 fishermen were killed and several injured in a September 2021 attack in Kwatar Daban, Masara on Lake Chad in the northeast, when the military mistook them for militants. In January 2017, at least 112 people were killed when a fighter jet struck a camp housing 40,000 people displaced by jihadist violence in the town of Ran near the border with Cameroon.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.